Hi, I'm Sukhdeep Hundal, CEO of SyncBridge. We are the people behind next-gen Icron, and our latest product is next-gen USB 3 to 1 plus DP video natively over USB-C. It is called Arbutus 6301. What it does is it's a single cable solution for USB 3 to 1, totally backward compatible, plus DP video over native USB-C extension system up to 100 meters. What we have here on our demo is we have a USB 3.0 camera, which is being extended. Camera video is going all the way back through our remote extender, over the cable, through our local extender to the PC, where the video is rendered, and then over the USB-C DisplayPort video with a full support of the alternate mode is going over USB-C to the local extender. From the local extender, we do our proprietary protocol conversion to Ethernet, 100 meters of Cat6a cable to the remote extender, USB-C output where it is converted to native DisplayPort. And that is our latest and greatest and is world's first single cable USB 3 to 1 and DP video extension solution. You can find more information about us at icron.com. Thank you.